See how it goes. No, you gotta like you're gonna dive out. See if it works. We're obviously a bunch of Southerners that have no idea how to sled. Oh, let's see what Daddy can do.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Here we go.
Oh, that's hilarious. I was trying to get your face. Yeah, you gotta kind of hold up the tip. But at least you're flattening it out. Ooh, that's an idea. Flatten all that out. There you go. You gotta make a flat track. Now hold on, Ansley. Don't walk in the track.
What's up, Kobe? This is not my favorite time of the year.
Aw, come on.
I'm like the biggest screw when it comes to
You and Sean need to hang out together then. The puppy is happy. The puppy is happy.
Hey, Cody.
Good job. Hey, the main thing to remember is to not walk in the track that you make. Okay, Ansley, your turn. Go down that track. All right, I'm going to turn this on me. Here I am. Mommy is finally in the picture. Let's get Cody and Daddy playing.
Hey, Cody. Come here, Cody the puppy. Come here, Cody puppy. Hey, Cody. Come here, the puppy. Come here. Come here, the puppy. Come here.
Brayden, be careful not to walk in the track. Cody, you can go sledding? Ansley, you ready for me to push you, honey? All right, last time, Brayden, hurry. I gotta put my glove on, my hand's freezing. Ready, set, go. Awesome, good job. All right.